Is that your new song?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I like it.
Thanks.
You know what I don't like?
What?
Smoke detectors that go off in the middle of the night for no reason. Now, I think it was dust on the sensor, and I've always heard this, and we've experienced it, 6 or 8 times over the past 15 years, where, we build a house and the electrician doesn't put the dust covers on the smoke detectors when they install them, and then through the process of cleaning and all this, we'll have dust get into the air and on those sensors, and they'll go off in the middle of the night. They always wait till 4 o'clock, and sure enough, I got a text the other morning at 4:30. These daggum smoke detectors are going off in my house. So anyway, I'm gonna solve this. I'm gonna test this myth and listen to Barrett play. So Barrett, I kind of got this started. Oops. Take this apart. So this is the sensor right here, and what's funny is you can look in there and kind of see some dust on there. But what I thought we would do, Barrett, is just sprinkle a little sawdust in there and see what happens. I wonder where we can get some dust.
Got plenty of that.
Yeah. No shortage of dust. So first I'm going to just try to sprinkle some on there, Barrett. I saw the little light flash. Went out. That doesn't make any sense, does it?
Isn't it like
Is that
dust? I mean, it's like.
Is that the sensor?
Like smoke, though, right? I mean, you need like some sort.
Well, I thought it had a function where it would block. Where if the sensor was blocked, it would set it off.
Ah.
Let me investigate this a little more. Maybe it has 2 sensors. I don't know. I'm gonna pound this thing with a sledgehammer anyway, so let's just. Aha! Aha! That worked.
That definitely worked.
Huh. So there you go. Let's try that again. I wonder which sensor it was. Because I filled this one up to the brim. Let's see if we can isolate it. We'll need more around. Well, we know that it'll survive to a certain extent around a construction site. But that definitely worked. I'm gonna need some more sawdust, I think, Barrett. Ah, it just went off. Yeah. Alright, where's the hush button? Oh crap. Oh snap. Oh crap. Get the sledgehammer. It's supposed to be the hush button. Okay. Wow. That's the hush button and it wouldn't even go off. See this button? lines up. Is that the hush button? Yeah. So Barrett, I think this smoke detector is pretty much wasted. So I was gonna try to blow the air out of it, and this little door. And I think it's just gonna be a waste of a 9-volt battery. Oh, it's got the original, still got the original kidda. So I think we'll just, we might shoot it and see if they'll set it off. Take it to the range and shoot it. What I really wanted to do, Barrett, was show off our other new shotgun. So we'll do that in our next video.
Cool. This thing needs new strings, Dad.
Nice.